Hi friends, first of all thank you friends for being in my video, and today we are going to discuss a topic agriculture current affairs for the month of May 2020. Important agricultural current affairs are covered. Let's start the video. Saffron of Jammu and Kashmir got GI tag recently. GI tag is geographical indication tag for saffron of Jammu and Kashmir got recently. Largest producer of saffron in the world is Iran. Iran is the largest producer of saffron in the world. Kisan credit card holders avail 10% of money for household needs under KCC scheme. These recommendations was given by KV Gupta committee. We know that Kisan credit card scheme for which the farmers given loans for their farm needs, and in that 10% of whatever the loan given by the bank, thus 10% can be used for household needs also. These recommendations was who given friends? RV Gupta committee given this recommendation. Punjab National Bank under its agriculture credit scheme giving COVID Tatkal Sahayat Rin to the farmers. Punjab National Bank is giving this Sahayat Rin, that means additional loan to the KCC loan holders. Recently, a scheme named a Swamitva Yojana launched to decide the ownership and record of residential lands in the rural areas under Ministry of Panchayat Raj. Swamitva Yojana is the scheme which is launched recently for what purpose, friends? For the record of residential lands, not agricultural lands, for the residential land record in the rural areas. This scheme was launched, and this scheme is under which ministry? It is under Ministry of Panchayat Raj. The terracotta work of Gorakhpur and Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai was got GI tag recently along with Chakhao, the black rice of state Manipur. Black rice named as Chakhao belongs to which state? Manipur got GI tag along with this mithai and terracotta work of Gorakhpur. Mera Pani Mera Virasat scheme was launched by Haryana government and provide rupees 7,000 per acre for providing irrigation facility to the fields. Recently, in the last month, we have seen a typical scheme of Haryana government that not irrigating paddy, the fields, they give 2,000 rupees per acre. Likewise, Mera Pani Mera Virasat is a scheme of a Haryana government which provides 7,000 rupees for the development of irrigation facilities in the field of the farmer. Standards and Safety Authority of India (FSSAI) launches new online platform to issue license to food business called Food Safety Compliance System (FOSCOS). Right, friends? We all know that for a running of a food business, we must have a license from FSSAI. Now, because of these pandemic conditions, they are not able to give licenses by hand, so they open an online platform which is called as Food Safety Compliance System. In Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan package, a fund of 30,000 crores given to the NABARD for additional emergency working capital for farmers. We know that due to these pandemic conditions, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan was the scheme launched by the central government. Through this scheme, 30,000 crores was given to the NABARD, which is kept for the emergency working capital for the farm. Uttarakhand state government has banned 27 pesticides under Organic Agriculture Act 2019. Uttarakhand state has an Organic Agriculture Act which was passed in 2019. Under this act, the state government of Uttarakhand has banned 27 pesticides in their state. Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad. These are the places of Pakistan occupied Kashmir (POK) which has been included in Indian Meteorological Department IMD Pune, Maharashtra weather forecasting for the first time. These are the places Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad are in under Pakistan occupied Kashmir. and these places are included in IMD for weather forecasting. Agro Entrepreneur Facilitation Desk is launched by Tripura State to help the entrepreneurs of the state to get subsidies and incentives from union government funding agencies. Right friends, Tripura is northeastern state. 90% of the subsidies came from the central government. For the benefit of those subsidies and incentives, they launched a scheme. Agro Entrepreneur Facilitation Desk was launched by Tripura State. CM app. Comprehensive monitoring of agriculture prices and procurement is launched by state Andhra Pradesh. Hence, Andhra Pradesh state launches CM app. The researchers at National Institute of Animal Biotechnology NIAB is located at Hyderabad develop a biosensor named eCosense to detect the COVID-19 within 30 seconds using 20 microbit samples of the saliva. This was the biosensor which was developed in NIAB located at Hyderabad. In accordance with World Meteorological Organization, the record level ozone hole over Arctic region has now closed. According to Tribal Affairs Ministers, the maximum retail price MSP for minor forest products MFP of 49 items was raised recently. Tribal Affairs Minister has announced that MSP for minor forest products of nearly 49 items, that means MSP of 49 tribal minor forest products are increased. 220 lakh metric tons is the fish production target of the India by 2024-25 as per the Fisheries Minister. In the year 2024 and 2025, the target of India of fish production is 220 lakh metric tons is the target of India. 500 crores has been allocated for beekeeping by central government under Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana scheme. 500 crores is allotted for the beekeeping. As per the Global Forest Research Assessment FRA 2020 released by Food and Agriculture Organization FAO, the forest loss rate in 2015-2020 has declined to an extent 10 million hectares from 12 million hectares in 2010 and 2012. Because of conservation of the forest conservation is now very prominent, so the forest loss is decreasing. Govindarajulu Chintala has been appointed as new chairman of NABARD till July 2022. He is continued as a chairman till July 2022 and the name of the chairman of NABARD is Govindaraju Chintala. Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana for farmers launched in which state? It is in Chhattisgarh. And these are the important days, and in May 20 we celebrate World Bee Day. Recently, we have seen that 500 crores is allotted for beekeeping under Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana, and May 20 is the World Bee Day, and the theme of this day is Be Engaged. And here the interesting point, pioneer of beekeeping is Anton Jansa. On his birth anniversary, remembering Anton Jansa's birth anniversary, we are celebrating World Bee Day on May 20th. And May 22nd is International Day of Biological Diversity. And the theme of the day is Our Solutions Are in Nature.